Okay, we're going to take a look under Administration and Setup, and we're going to go into the units of measure. And I've set up a number of boxes in the system here. Box 1 of 20. This is the size. So I've got the size and the weight of the boxes here. And the same box 1, obviously the size is the same and the weight is the same, but in some cases I'll put 20 pieces in, 24, 12. Box 2 has got 10, etc. So this is just a setup of the different kinds of boxes you may have in your plant. Then we have package types, and I basically have just got, I'm actually only going to be using 2 in this example. One is this one here called loose, which is really not a package. It's just saying I'm not going to put the boxes on a pallet or anything. I'm going to ship the boxes loose. Then I also have one up here called a wood pallet, which is a 6x4 by 8 inch pallet, and it's 25 pounds. I've also set up a unit of measure group called production, and this is so that I can identify all the parts that I'm going to be selling that are going to use the units of measure, and I can identify them as a unique unit of measure group. And then if I click on the group definition down in here, you'll see that I've got the each, obviously 1 for 1. Then I've got a box 210 is 10 pieces, box 410 is 10, box 112 is 12, etc. So this is how you set up the alternative quantities from the base quantity to the each, and there's a cross-reference in there so that when we're doing the actual shipping, it can be addressed. So let's go back now to setup of 1 or 2 of the parts. I've got a part called Auto 1, and I set up in here, I said box 1_20, and I said there's 20 pieces in this box, which is why I named this box this. And then I've got a wood pallet with 4 boxes on it. Then I have another part, Auto Part 2, and I use box 2 for it, but it's only got 10 pieces in it, and there's 16 of these boxes on a wood pallet. And that's the setup for the units of measure being used for selling within a manufacturing plant.